All right, we have A. A. Two-letter A. A-Y. A. Okay? We use it like for day and play. And we can use it at the end of English words because it ends with the Y.
Like away.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But alphabet, you didn't know. But there's another A.
There's another A?
A-I. Like the word rain. R-A-I-N. It's the A-I that is usually found in the middle of words.
Well, we can't use it at the end of English words because it ends with an I.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can't end it that way. So there's rain, and then we have brain.
Ooh,
Brain.
Brain, yes.
Yeah, so you've got to use your brain to remember this. So,
Okay, so we have A that we use at the end of English words with the
Yes.
Y, and then we have A
That-
that we do not use at the end of English words because of the I.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Alphabet, you don't know this.
Okay.
We have two O's together.
Yeah. Two O's. I've seen those in words before.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. And a lot of people say, oh, it's ooh, it just makes an ooh sound. No. It makes 3 different sounds.
Oh, really?
So we have ooh, like for school. Okay, ooh, school or boo, you know. But then it makes an sound. Like you got,
like somebody just
like in book.
Book. One of
or
my favorite words.
Look.
Ooh. Yeah.
Or hook. School. And it makes an O sound.
2 O's make an O sound. Why would you need 2 O's to make an O sound?
Like for floor. Ooh. Floor.
I never
Ooh.
noticed that.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or door.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
So ooh, O. Sorry. Ooh, O.
Oh.
All right.
Wow. I learned something. I hope you did too.
Until next time.
All right, use your logic. Shark plus shark plus shark equals 150. And remember, it's going to be the same number all those 3 times. All right, that shark number plus squid equals 90. Okay, squid times octopus equals 120. Ooh, this is getting trickier. Octopus times shark take away squid equals, I know you got it.